Okay, last time we have already know how to find the slope given the linear equation. Now, you're going to find the slope given 2 points. Okay. So, for example, you have your point 1, which is x sub 1 and y sub 1. And you have your point 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, to get the slope for this, we need to use the formula in finding the slope, which is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? Now, let's have example. Let's have your number 1. You have your negative 2, 1 and 4, 6. Okay, at this juncture, we identify your point 1, which is negative 2, 1, and point 2 is 4, 6. So, negative 2 would be your x sub 1, 1 is your y sub 1, 4 is your x sub 2, and your 6 is the y sub 2. And then, apply the formula. So, m equals y sub 2 is 6 minus y sub 1 is 1, x sub 2 is 4, minus your x sub 1 is negative 2. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus negative 2 is 6. So your slope is, for this set of points, is 5 over 6. Okay. How about this? You have your negative 1, 7, and 5, 7. Okay, identify again your point 1 and point 2. So, point 1 is negative 1, 7. Point 2 is 5, 7. So, negative 1 is your x sub 1. 7 is your y sub 1. 5 is x sub 2. 7 is the y sub 2. And then, apply the formula. So, m, y sub 2 is 7 minus y sub 1 is 7 also. X sub 2 is 5. X sub 1 is negative 1. So, 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus negative 1, that is 6. But 0 over 6 is 0. So, this set of points has 0 slope. Okay. Another example. So, you have your negative 5, 2, and negative 5 over 6. The same thing, identify your point 1 and point 2. So, point 1 is negative 5, 2, meaning negative 5 is x sub 1. And the 2 is the y sub 1. And negative 5 is the x sub 2. 6 is the y sub 2. Since for negative 5 and 5, 6 is the point number 2. Okay, then use the formula. M equals, so your y sub 2 is 6 minus your y sub 1 is 2. And then x sub 2 is negative 5 minus your x sub 1, still negative 5. So you have your 6 minus 2, that is 4, over negative 5 minus negative 5, that is 0. So as you can see, you have a denominator 0, which means this is undefined. Okay, for more videos, please subscribe the YouTube channel, and God bless.